everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for all you dog lovers out there. What human foods are safe for your furry friends? I mean, we all love sharing our lives with our pets. And let's be honest, they often look at us with those big, pleading eyes, making it hard to resist sharing a bite of what we're eating. But before you toss them a piece of your dinner, let's make sure it's something that won't harm them. So grab a comfy seat, maybe a snack for yourself, and let's get into it. First off, let's clarify something. Not all human food is created equal when it comes to our dogs. Some foods that are perfectly safe for us can actually be toxic to our pets. So it's crucial to know what's safe and what's not. We've all heard the horror stories, right? Chocolate, grapes, onions, those are some of the big no-nos. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate this food landscape so you can safely treat your pup. Let's start with fruits. Yes, you heard me right. Fruits can be a fantastic treat for your dog. Apples, for example, are a great source of vitamins A and C. Just make sure to remove the seeds and core before giving them to your dog. They can be a fun chew toy too. And how about bananas? They're high in potassium and can be a sweet treat that many dogs absolutely love. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much banana can lead to an upset stomach. Now, let's talk about berries. Blueberries and strawberries are not only safe, but also packed with antioxidants. They can be a great addition to your dog's diet, and many dogs enjoy them frozen as a refreshing snack on a hot day. And speaking of snacks, did you know that watermelon is safe for dogs too? Just be sure to remove the seeds and rind. It's hydrating and can be a low-calorie treat that your dog will appreciate. Moving on to vegetables, there are some real winners here as well. Carrots are a classic favorite. They're crunchy, low in calories, and great for your dog's teeth. You can give them raw or cooked, but always cut them into bite-sized pieces to avoid choking hazards. Sweet potatoes are another fantastic option. They're rich in vitamins and fiber, and dogs love the taste. You can bake or boil them, just avoid adding any seasoning or butter. Green beans are also a safe bet. They're low in calories and can be a great way to add some crunch to your dog's diet. Whether you serve them raw or steamed, your pup is likely to enjoy them. And let's not forget about peas. Fresh or frozen, peas are safe and can be a fun addition to your dog's meals. Now, some of you might be wondering about grains. The good news is that many dogs can safely eat grains like rice and oats. Brown rice can be particularly beneficial if your dog has an upset stomach. It's easy to digest and can help settle their tummy. Oats are another excellent source of fiber and can be a great addition to homemade dog treats. Let's not skip over proteins. Cooked chicken, turkey, and lean beef can be fantastic sources of protein for your dog. Just make sure there are no bones or seasoning involved. Plain cooked meat can be a great treat or meal topper to add some flavor to their kibble. And if you're looking for a fish option, salmon is safe as long as it's cooked thoroughly. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can promote a healthy coat and skin. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about dairy? This can be a bit tricky since not all dogs can handle dairy well. Some dogs are lactose intolerant, which means dairy can lead to digestive issues. However, some dogs can enjoy small amounts of cheese or yogurt. Just keep it plain and avoid anything flavored or sweetened with xylitol, which is toxic to dogs. And let's not forget about peanut butter. Most dogs go absolutely nuts for it, and it can be a great source of protein and healthy fats. Just make sure it's free of xylitol, as I mentioned earlier. You can stuff it into a Kong toy for a fun and engaging treat, or mix it into their food for a little extra flavor. Now, I can already hear some of you saying, but what about treats? There are so many dog-friendly treats out there that mimic human snacks. You can find biscuits made with healthy ingredients, or even try your hand at making your own. There are tons of recipes online for homemade dog treats that use safe ingredients like pumpkin, peanut butter, and oats. It's a fun way to bond with your pup and ensure they're getting something healthy. So what's the takeaway here? While it's tempting to share your food with your dog, it's essential to know what's safe and healthy for them. Always introduce new foods gradually and watch for any signs of allergies or digestive issues. And when in doubt, consult your veterinarian. They can provide you with personalized advice based on your dog's specific dietary needs. Remember, our dogs rely on us to keep them safe and healthy, and that includes what we feed them. By being informed about the foods that are safe for them, we can ensure they live happy, healthy lives alongside us. So, the next time your pup gives you those big pleading eyes while you're enjoying a snack, you'll know just what to offer them. Thanks for tuning in, and happy feeding.